is here and we are ready to explore. Let's get on the bike. So when we first came, there were no cars. We parked our bike safely there. But as of now, as you can see, this is the position. But still, it's fine. So we should wait for this car guy to remove his car. Until then, we'll go have a cup of tea. Clear. Finally, the forecast is saying no rain today. Hopefully, it should not rain our ride. Let's see. We have started the ride after a lot of distractions and all. Firstly, in the night we planned that we'll start the ride at early morning 4 a.m. to Mullangiri Hills. Later, we thought okay 4 a.m. is too early. We'll start at 5 a.m. We woke up at 5:30. So we thought okay we'll leave by 6:37 sharp. Now the time is exactly 8 a.m. We planned at 4 a.m. and we are going at 8 a.m. 4 hours difference. I wish those clouds stay the same in the route of Mullangiri Hills. Only then it will be worth going all the way there. It's still 18 kilometers from here, I guess. That is the route for Mullangiri Hills. Thank you. Visit again Land of Coffee, Chikmagalur. Okay, Chikmagalur ends here. Wow, what a scenic place. Sun is already out. ಹೌದು 20 it's 10 rupees for each bike, so it will be 20 rupees for the car, hopefully max to max. Wow, what a lovely place, dude. I'm just loving this. Till date, in my entire life, I have never rode in such a beautiful road, man. Wow, what a beautiful road. Fuel in there? चलो हमारी गाड़ी में तो फुल टैंक करके only 50 kilometers our road, so hopefully another 150 I can do without any tension. I guess these are resorts. Next time if we come, we should stay at in these kind of places. These are too good. So 11 more kilometers left. ಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸೀನ್ ಗುರು. ಏನು ಸೀನ್ರಿ ಇದು, ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯೇ. Everyone is coming back and we are going now. Very good. No potholes please. Wow, this is not even a single lane. This is half of the single lane, I guess. సైక్ ఉంది, ఫోటో తీయాల్సి ఉండదు.
Bro, there are tigers and deers here.
Is it?
Yeah, we should be.
So we have came half of the way. You can just see the scenery, bro. Wow. కొండలపై ఇంకో ట్రాఫిక్. We will overtake and go. No more traffic, please God. Wow, there are some waterfalls. There is some water coming at some places, that's it. No clouds, nothing. That's all. No more hopes. That's it, I guess we are almost there. Wow, this is a bit scary. That's 3 kilometers it seems. No clouds, nothing. All efforts got wasted, I guess. Hats off. I am scared here to go on bike only. When I saw that board, there are animals. I am getting scared since then. This lady, she is jogging alone. Great people. Can we go up? Let's see. Let's go. No worries, I can take this. Oh my goodness, are we going to the sky? People should not come if you are not enough experienced to drive a car over here in car. You know, you can't stop the car in the reverse or when you are turning over here. It's too tough, too tough. Full traffic jam, spoiling all the mood and the excitement we have. Just see this, bro. Okay, it is worth coming. No regrets. Careful, man. Oh my God. కళ్ళు తిరగకపోతే చాలు. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜಾಗ ನೀವು ಆಕ್ರಮಿಸ್ತೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು? ಓಕೆ, డబుల్ స్టాండ్ ఇస్ బెస్ట్. అర్రే చిచ్చి లేదు, స్టాండ్ దాని మీద వేసా, ఏం చేయలేం. సో ఫైనలీ వి ఆర్ అట్ ది ముల్లంగిరి హిల్స్. మనాలికి వెళ్ళాలంటే నేను 2 సిలిండర్లు పెట్టుకోవాలి పోయి, ఆక్సిజన్ సిలిండర్లు. ఇది ఎన్ని ఫీట్? ఇక్కడికి దోలు తీరిపోతుంది, ఆయాసం వచ్చేస్తుంది. యూఆర్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ అట్ ది టాప్. Since I climbed the steps a bit fast, my blood pressure is so high. Now 149. Again 150. I will sit for some time. After some time, we will be going on to the top. So this is how the view is right behind the temple. जाके खाएंगे.
उधर.
I don't have that much cravings, but I feel like having it here. It gives alग vibe.
Masala paneer, paneer puri, gobi, 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 Maggi, 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 Maggi.
Here on the top we can have some Maggi and all snack items. So as you can see, there are cool drinks, water
Masala,
bottles,
Maggi, gobi, paneer puri, gobi, gobi, gobi,
everything
gobi,
available
gobi.
over here. So ಅಣ್ಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಇರುತ್ತಾ?
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 6 o'clock ಇಂದ ನೈಟ್ 6 o'clock ಸರ್.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಯಾರು ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಸರ್ ಫುಲ್.
ನೀವು ಇರಲ್ಲ?
ಯಾರು ಇರಲ್ಲ.
ಸಂಡೇ ಮಂಡೇ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಡೈಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಡೈಲಿ
ವೀಕೆಂಡ್
ವೀಕೆಂಡ್
ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ
ಡೈಲಿ
ಇರುತ್ತೆ,
ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಪನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೌದು.
ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ
ಸರಿ. ಸೊ
6 ಗಂಟೆ ಆದ್ರೆ
ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್
ಸರ್, ನಾವು 5
ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್
ಗಂಟೆಗೆ
ಲೈಕ್
ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಲೋಕಲ್.
this place will be open
Temple ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ
from morning 6 to evening 6. So it is open all the week.
ಮಸಾಲ paneer, paneer puri,
So
gobi,
the
gobi,
timings
gobi,
are
gobi, 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 Maggi, Maggi,
from,
Maggi, 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 Maggi,
6
Maggi.
a.m. to 6 p.m. That's it. So if there is any lockdown, it will be closed, or else
Masala, Maggi,
this
Maggi,
will
Maggi,
be
Maggi, Maggi, Maggi,
open
gobi,
only.
paneer puri, gobi, Maggi.
We are going to nearby waterfalls. So it is 20 kilometers away from this Mulangiri Hills. So we made a sudden plan and we are going there. Everywhere these covers are so lovely, and the greenery on the other sides, that's the best. I just love these curves, man. Two good sceneries to ride a bike. If you could ever plan, if you are a biker, you must visit this place. But be enough responsible while riding in these corners and all. And I would recommend every single person who is a travel enthusiast, you must visit this place. It's too good. You can come in bike, you can come in car, but if you are a biker, you must come in a bike to have a real fun of this place. Manikadara is the waterfall's name. It is 8 kilometers ahead from here. Hi, hi. It was there when we came. I saw buses going here. Now we are here. What happened to Manoj? ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಗುರು? What happened? You're fine? We have actually came here to see the waterfall, but unfortunately we are doing full on off-roading. Okay, easy. I guess I have seen this scenery in a lot of movies. I feel so there is a temple over there. Too good. It's worth all the way coming up here. What actually happened is, like, yesterday we completed our ride and we were so tired. We took a shower, we took rest. We did explored Mullangiri Hills and Baba Budangiri. So those were worth visiting, and I suggest you, if you people are planning for a road trip in and around Bangalore in radius of 250 to 300 kilometers, something like that, then you should visit Chikmagalur. Actually, these are the places which you can visit with family or with friends. So without any doubt, I can say that you will have a good time visiting these places, and everything is affordable over here, nothing overrated or overpriced. And so the Baba Budangiri and Mullangiri Hills, both of these are in the same route, so just a difference of some 20 kilometers. So you can find a good location, like on the hilltop you can find clouds passing beside you in the Mullangiri Hills. And while coming to Baba Budangiri Hills, so people will say there is falls and all, so I didn't felt it enough worth it to call it as a fall. So it was just like a small water falling from a mountain, something like that, as you have seen in the video. What's the best thing I felt about Baba Budangiri is the route is too good, you know, you feel like as if you're climbing into the sky. Both are worth visiting. And we have completed our trip, and finally it's time to go home. So if you have watched the video till here, ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, కమెంట్ చేసి మాత్రం కమెంట్ మారి వీడిयो तुम्हारे फ्रेंड एंड सबको शेयर करो. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because there are a lot of interesting stuff regarding bikes and motor vlogging coming up soon. Until then, take care, bye bye, Khuda Hafiz.